This is actually true if you think about it, that a 6-year-old phone can save you from endless scrolling. Let me tell you how. The first thing that you notice is the size of the older phone is much bigger than the modern phone, so holding them makes a little uncomfortable for a long time, so you end up keeping your phone aside for most of the time. Modern phones are built so perfect in size that a person never wants to keep it away, even for a short while. Think for yourself. Why everyone keeps checking their phone all the time even when there is nothing? So here comes my Samsung M31. This phone does everything that I need in my daily life without any problem. And there are few things that saves me from endless scrolling if you compare to a modern phone that has a buttery smooth display but because of 120Hz refresh rate. But the older phone comes with only a 60Hz refresh rate. That doesn't seem much appealing to eyes, so you kind of only use your phone for work other than scrolling. Slow phone keeps you away from it, but modern phones keeps you stick to it. If you keep your phone aside even for just 1 hour, you can think other things to make yourself occupied with something. In that time you can learn a new skill, maybe read a book or spend some time with your family. By doing all those things, you'll end up giving you more sense of accomplishment rather than seeking temporary pleasure. Most people don't realize how much time they have passed using their phone. They just pick up the phone for 2 minutes and suddenly 2 hours has passed. While this Samsung phone is just perfect for me on daily basis, doing all my job perfectly without allowing me to scroll anymore. Another reason could be the display quality of the modern phones so good and the colors look so vibrant that we don't want to keep our phone aside, but older phone doesn't have such vibrant screen and the colors look dull, but that helps me not to keep scrolling forever. So if you think like this, older phone's weakness is building strength for you, where every time modern phones gives you instant app opening before you even think, you lose a chance to think about other things, something productive. Most scrolling does not happen because we planned it. It happens because the phone makes it too easy. One tap, then one more, and eventually we get distracted. Modern phones are not just tools anymore. They are designed to pull you in. Everything is fast, everything is smooth, everything is rewarding. So getting distracted is easy, but this phone does opposite for me. This phone is slow, making it less impulsive to use and focus more on productivity work. In today's world, keeping an older phone is not a weakness, it is strength that you keep. Using a 6-year-old phone in 2026 feels strangely peaceful. At first glance, it looks outdated, slow and honestly a little inconvenient. But after spending enough time with it, I started noticing something that modern phone rarely gives you anymore. Silence. Not actual silence, but mental silence. This phone does not constantly ask for my attention. There is no flashy animation trying to keep me engaged, no instant smoothness that makes opening app feel addictive, and no endless temptation sitting one swipe away. It feels like an entertainment machine and more like an object that simply exists to help me when I need it. One thing I notice almost immediately is how intentional every interaction becomes. On a modern smartphone, I open apps without even realizing it. My hand just moves automatically. But on this older phone, every action has a little bit of friction. Apps takes a second longer to open, typing feels slower, and scrolling is nowhere near as smoothness. And weirdly, that friction helps. It gives my brain enough time to ask, do I actually need to open this right now? Most of the time the answer is no. That tiny delay breaks the automatic habit that modern phones build quietly into us. What surprised me the most is that boredom started feeling normal again. Modern phones are designed to remove every empty moment from our lives. Waiting for something, open Instagram. Sitting quietly, watch shorts. Feeling slightly bored, scroll for a few minutes. But with this older phone, those quick dopamine escapes are not as satisfying anymore. And because of that, I stopped reaching for my phone every few minutes. I would just sit there, look around, think about things, or continue doing whatever I was already doing. That sounds simple, but it honestly changed the rhythm of my day. Another thing I started appreciating is how this phone separates communication from entertainment. On most modern phones, everything is mixed together. You pick up your phone to reply to one message and suddenly you are watching random videos 20 minutes later. But this older phone makes basic tasks feel basic again. Calling someone, replying to texts, checking directions, that is all straightforward. But consuming endless content feels slightly uncomfortable, and that discomfort is always useful. It reminds me that not every free second needs to be filled with stimulation. I also realize how much modern smartphones are built around speed. Faster refresh rate, faster processor, instant loading, instant recommendation. Everything is optimized to keep you engaged for longer. This older phone does the opposite. It slows the experience down just enough to make me less emotionally attached to the screen. I still use social media sometimes, I still watch videos, but I no longer feel trapped inside the cycle of constantly checking my phone. The experience becomes less immersive, and because of that, it becomes easier to put the phone away. There are definitely moments when using this phone becomes frustrating. The camera is not great, multitasking is slower, and some apps simply do not run as smoothly anymore. But in a strange way, those limitations are part of the reason why the phone feels healthier to use. Modern phones try so hard to become the center of our lives. This one doesn't. It quietly stays in the background until I actually need it, and I think that difference matters more than most people realize. After spending enough time with this older phone, I do not think the solution is for everyone to abandon modern technology completely. The bigger lesson is understanding how much our devices shape our behavior. This phone showed me that convenience is not always good when it comes to attention. Sometimes making things slightly slower, slightly less addictive, and slightly less optimized can actually make life feel calmer. And honestly, in a world where every app is fighting for your attention, a boring old phone starts to feel surprisingly refreshing. I did not enjoy using this phone, but that was the point. It removes the little reward that keep me scrolling, and that helped me stay in control. I hope this video helped you to simplify the relationship between human and technology and use it for better goods. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, make sure to comment down below. The comment target is 50 comments. Hit that subscribe button and I will see you in the next video.